What if your job didn't exist in 5 years? Sounds scary, but the truth is AI is already replacing millions of jobs right now. Today, I'm going to show you 7 ways AI is changing jobs forever, and more importantly, how you can stay ahead. Number 7, customer service. AI chatbots now handle millions of customer calls daily. Companies like Amazon and Apple are replacing call center workers with AI that never sleeps, never gets angry, and costs almost nothing. Number 6, data entry. If your job involves typing information from one place to another, AI already does this faster and cheaper. Tools like Microsoft Copilot automate entire data workflows in seconds. Number 5, writing and copywriting. Marketing agencies are using ChatGPT and Claude to write ads, emails, and blog posts in minutes. Freelance writers who don't use AI are already losing clients to those who do. Number 4, graphic design. Tools like Midjourney and Adobe Firefly generate professional designs in seconds. Small businesses that used to hire designers are now doing it themselves with AI for free. Number 3, accounting and bookkeeping. AI software now reads receipts, categorizes expenses, and files taxes automatically. Basic bookkeeping jobs that took hours now take seconds with tools like QuickBooks AI. Number 2, transportation and delivery. Self-driving trucks and AI delivery robots are already being tested across America. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are investing billions, and truck driving is one of the most common jobs in the US. Number 1, and the biggest one, software development. Even programmers are not safe. GitHub Copilot writes entire blocks of code automatically. Junior developer jobs are already shrinking as one senior developer with AI does the work of 10. So, what's the solution? Simple. Learn to work with AI instead of against it. The people who win in the next 10 years won't be replaced by AI. They'll be the ones using AI as their superpower. Subscribe to TechMind Daily for weekly videos on exactly how to do that. See you in the next one.